Good evening. Well, this cold spell lasting for the next few days, but the Met Office have already issued a yellow be aware warning for widespread risk of ice tonight across the northern half of the country. But I think where surfaces are wet further south, there is a risk here as well. So we keep bringing in those blustery showers across northern Scotland, brought in that strong northerly wind. Those winds strong along the east coast as well. Showers for eastern coastal areas, but any showers inland readily falling to snow even to lower levels tonight. So blustery showers in the north and some for the east. A lot of dry weather elsewhere, lengthy clear spells leading to a widespread frost. Temperatures in our towns and cities falling down to around about freezing, and in this countryside around about -2 or 3. Coastal areas just a wee bit higher, but still cold nonetheless. So we have high pressure to the west of us and we have low pressure to the east, and in between it's a run of cold northerly winds, and that's staying with us through Wednesday and into Thursday. So plenty of dry sunny weather initially, a cold frosty start with that ice risk first thing, especially in the north, and a lot of sunshine to be had for central and southern Scotland. Some showers for East Lothian and the eastern borders initially, but come afternoon they'll die away. But we'll hold on to the frequent and indeed tomorrow increasingly wintry showers across the Northern Isles, with a fresh to strong northerly wind here, similarly across the far north, and inland some places may well even struggle to get above freezing, and frost will linger. Coastal areas a wee bit higher, still quite windy along the east coast, but there'll be some sunshine here as well. 1 or 2 showers just flirting with the far west of the Hebrides, but temperatures here around about 5 Celsius, but feeling cold everywhere in that northerly airflow. Then as we approach dusk, very little changes. We keep the wintry showers going in the north. Another widespread frost. There'll be a risk of ice, I think, tomorrow night. Once again, a lot of dry weather for central and southern parts. But for Thursday, the ice bars open out a bit. It's still quite windy along the east coast, where we'll see 1 or 2 showers. Similarly in the north, but elsewhere, a lot of dry, sunny weather, and actually feeling that bit colder on Thursday as well. That's your forecast. Good evening. Well, it's another chilly one, but we have seen some cracking weather watchers pictures. This one sent in off the iconic Forth Rail Bridge by one of our weather watchers. Now, we turn our attention to tonight. Some wintry showers in the north, possibly some snow to lower levels as well. Elsewhere, dry with a widespread frost, and there will be a major ice risk tonight. So the Met Office do have a yellow be aware warning for ice across the northern half of the country, but south of here as well, we could see a risk of some icy patches. Something to bear first thing tomorrow morning. But a lot of dry weather initially, with those blustery showers in the north, and they will be wintry in nature as well. So widespread frost, which means temperatures hovering around about the freezing mark for many. Chilly, you may well have to scrape your car. 1 or 2 showers just flirting with the east coast. A brisk northerly wind for the east coast, similarly for the Northern Isles as well. And as I mentioned, we may well see some snow to lower levels at first tomorrow as well. So a wintry feel to the day generally. But a lot of drier weather and fantastic sunshine tomorrow, I think, particularly across western Scotland towards North Argyll and the southwest, but we lose any showers from the east. Always a risk of seeing some showers over Northern Ireland, but bright here as well. Just 1 or 2 showers just clipping western areas and the extremities, and eastern coastal counties as well, coastal parts of the east coast I should say as well. Inland though dry with plenty of sunshine, but that cold air continuing to seep southwards during tomorrow, so it will be a cold day right across the country. Coldest, of course, across Scotland, where many places will actually struggle to get above freezing for inland parts, so the frost not actually lifting. And those winds in the north, brisk initially, they will ease a little, but you'll notice the coldness in that bitter wind. Tomorrow evening, dry, another widespread frost. Still a few showers in the north, mainly focused over the northeast, Northern Isles and the Caithness area as well. And I think there'll be a risk of ice once again. Then on Thursday, we're looking at a lot of dry weather. The showers gradually die away on Thursday in the north, becoming fewer and indeed lighter. Still a brisk wind for the east coast with lighter winds across the mainland and staying cold.